A really common question that we get in the trade success system is, how many systems do I need? How many systems is enough? Should I stop? I've got 4 systems. Is that enough? Should I add a 5th, or is that too many? That's a really great question with a very interesting answer. So stick around, watch this video, and let's find out. But before we go any further, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that you get notified of all of my future videos, because I've got new trading content coming out all the time and I don't want you to miss a thing. I think as you grow, there's always holes in your portfolio you can plug. Like there's market behaviors that you could, scenarios you could dream up that your portfolio may not do brilliantly well in. And so you could create a system to address that. So there's always benefit of adding more, but there is diminishing benefit. You know, adding 1 system is way better than no systems. 2 systems is way better than 1 system, but 11 systems is not way better than 10. But the threshold becomes, how well can you execute the systems without making mistakes? So if you get so many systems that you start tripping over yourself and making mistakes and missing signals and, you know, dropping trades or executing badly, you have too many systems. And so that's probably, for most people, the thing to really watch. You've got to execute well. And I found myself in a situation where my lifestyle and the number of systems I was trading were not compatible. And I started making mistakes. And so I reduced the complexity. And so that's just really important to monitor and be honest about with yourself.